Hi, friends. So, a little life lesson from the flower field. Tonight at sunset, I'm being reminded of something and I wanted to share it with you. Here it is. It's been a nutty week. Nutty. Early mornings, long days, and I kind of lost my center. And I'm reminded tonight as I sit out here and I hear the birds and the crickets and the light rustle in the trees. I'm being reminded of who I am, of what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and it's grounding me and recentering me just to hear these nature sounds and to be in nature. So here is a reminder for all of us. Stop. Get out in nature, even if it's on your front porch, your back step, your patio, and just be quiet and listen and let the sounds wash over you and remind you who you are and what you're doing and why you're doing it. We all need it. We all need it. And there is a gift there for us. So I'm going to receive that gift tonight, and I hope you can receive that gift at some point in the near future for yourself. Have a great day, friends. See you soon. Bye.